Hello. In this video, I will review the Supertrend non-repainting indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator can help us identify trends and also detect trend changes. And we can also use this indicator to select appropriate support and resistance levels on the chart.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
The way to identify the trend with this indicator is that when the line in this indicator is below the price, it indicates a profitable trend. And when this line is above the price, it indicates a bearish trend. It also shows us the change in trends with these arrows. As you can see here, when we are in an uptrend, we can use this line from the indicator as a support level. You can see that after the price touched this line, its direction changed. And also, when we are in a downtrend, we can use this line as a resistance level. You can see that the price changed direction after hitting this line. And also, when we are in a downtrend, we can use this line as a resistance level. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option is the calculation period of this indicator, which comes into play during this period and performs the calculations. The higher the value, the smoother the line will be. The second option is the ATR multiplier used in the calculations of this indicator. Base. The higher we set this value, the greater the distance of this line from the price will be, both in an uptrend and a downtrend. As you can see, the distance of this line from the price has increased significantly. Let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can also use the MT5 version and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's see the live test and this indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.